Hey guys, this is our YouTube channel, and we hope you like it and subscribe. And we're going to ride some dirt bikes and all that stuff, and we want to let you ride with us. Thank you. You gonna start? Okay, we gotta get started first. Okay, we're about to get it started. Like very bad. I don't even have shoes on right now. I have slides, and we don't know what we're doing. So our dogs. So yeah, I'm gonna park this thing. Stay right here. It's crazy. So yeah, we're not done, but okay. Now it's gonna be my turn to ride it. Let's go. What's up, guys? Ride dirt bike. Just rode with my brother. Now it's time to ride with me. Subway thing. About to go through the trail. I think we already told you, but we're still gonna go through this trail. Might a little bit dark. This is what we always do. Dirt bike me run up there.
Oh, look, we already got in trouble. Yeah, so we're just having fun.